Hey guys, I don't know if you've ever heard of the theory that anybody is six people removed from anybody. Say the President of the United States. You're six people away. You know somebody who knows somebody who knows somebody, maybe less than six people away. So what I'm going to tell you is, in hope of that somebody that I know, that they know, that somebody else knows, can get this information out to other people. Maybe enough people will know that end up, which that's really being optimistic, that the government will do something about it. Um, and that is that people are dying because there's not enough ventilators. But there is a company that since 2017 in India has been making small enough ventilators that you can stick it in your pocket. Works. It's actually on a TEDx seminar in 2017. Same people made a wheelchair that operated totally by mind. But let's go back to the ventilators. They made these ventilators so they could help people in poor areas who couldn't afford to be on a ventilator. So they're going to die, or they just don't even have it in the hospital. It's so poor. Here's the deal. It doesn't use oxygen. It doesn't need a doctor, which ones we have here do have to have a doctor, do use oxygen, and it costs $3,000 a day or more to use. Okay? You can't do it at home unless you're ultra wealthy and have a doctor you can pay to be there. Okay, all those things, and it costs anywhere from the cheapest one $5,000 to $50,000. They make theirs no oxygen, no need for a doctor. You can operate off an app on your phone. This is 3 years ago. You can stick it in your pocket. Costs $300 American. Now I know India has closed off their borders, and they're trying to take care of their need for 1 million ventilators for this virus. But I suggest, not going to complain about it, but I suggest that somebody talk to that company and that university who made it, and they get somebody to negotiate with them. Say, hey, we'll pay you $100 a unit. Let us manufacture them in our United States or any other country. We'll pay you $100 a unit. You don't have to do anything. Somebody should do that. We're each one of us six people removed from the president. Hopefully somebody will hear it.